Do you ever just look up at the night sky and wonder what is out there? Well, today I'll be talking to you about galaxy and the stars that is made out of. The definition of a galaxy is one of a very large group of stars and other matter that are found throughout the universe. Earth is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. This galaxy is a spiral shaped that consists of a flat, rotating disk and has a central concentration of stars known as the bulge. There are two other shapes called elliptical, which is very unstructured and is like a stretched out circle. The other one is the irregular shaped galaxy. This does not have any distinct shape and is very chaotic. The Milky Way is made up of billions and billions of stars. One of these stars are the Sun. Astronomers group stars with these characteristics: size, color, temperature, and brightness.
Stars aren't the only thing we can see in the solar system. In fact, planets and moons do not emit their own light. They reflect light from the stars. Have you ever looked up at the moon and noticed that sometimes it's round, sometimes it's only half a circle, and sometimes it looks like a fingernail? Have you ever wondered what makes it change shape? The truth is that the moon doesn't change shape. It just looks like it does because of where the light from the sun is shining on it. The sun is the only light source in our solar system, and it's what illuminates everything in our solar system.
Okay, how is time made and is time travel possible? Looking in the night sky, you can look back into the past, but it's not simple. Time isn't that simple. The sun is the closest star to the Earth, and this is how we measure time. It's about 150 million kilometers away, or 1 astronomical unit. That's the average distance that the Earth is from the sun. But you think that's far? Neptune's 30 astronomical units, and it takes 165 years to go around the sun. Even greater distances, we use light years. Light years is the amount of how fast light can travel in 1 year. Light travels about 300,000 kilometers per second, which is really fast. So good example of that is our most famous star is the North Star. It's about 435 light years away. 435 light years away. So it takes over 400 years for that light to reach Earth. So the light we're looking at right now is from when Galileo was just looking at the stars with his telescope. And the closest galaxy to us is 202.5 million light years away, meaning that the light reaching us now is from back before our ancestors were walking up straight.
As referenced earlier, looking out into space is the same as looking back in time. Let us take a tour through our past by observing our own solar system. Our sun lies at the center of our solar system. It is a star and the largest object in our solar system, containing 99.8% of our solar system's mass. The inner solar system consists of rocky planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, which are primarily made of iron and rock, with the Earth being the only planet suitable for life because of its combination of a breathable atmosphere, suitable climate, water, an ozone layer, a magnetic field to protect us from the sun's radiation, and its perfect distance from the sun, known as the Goldilocks zone. The outer solar system contains the outer planets, the gas giants Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, which are made up of hydrogen and helium, and are all larger than the inner planets. As in our solar system, also in our solar system's outer orbit are comets, large balls of ice and rock that take hundreds of years to orbit the sun. Between Mars and Jupiter is the asteroid belt, which contains millions of asteroids of varying sizes, some of which occasionally collide with Earth. These are what people commonly refer to as shooting stars. Out past Neptune is the Kuiper belt, which consists of hundreds of thousands of icy bodies and 1 trillion comets orbiting the sun. This is where Pluto resides. And far beyond the Kuiper belt is the Oort cloud, a sphere of icy objects and the origin of many of our long-period comets. And past that, at the very edge of our solar system, about 80 to 100 astronomical units from the sun, is the heliosphere, a vast teardrop-shaped region of space containing electrically charged particles given off by the sun. We hope you have enjoyed your tour through time. Thank you.